guys, today we're going to make simple, easy plus healthy oats cutlets. So let's begin with the ingredients. 1.5 cups of oats, 1 medium-sized carrot chopped, whole green chilies to taste, 1 chunk of ginger, 1 cup of pudding. If you want to know how to make homemade pudding, we have the tutorial. It's in the link in the description. 2 eggs, 1 bunch of finely chopped spinach, half a cup of parsley or coriander leaves, 1 finely chopped onion, a quarter cup of finely chopped pepper, garam masala, half a teaspoon. If you want to know how to make homemade garam masala, check the link in the description. Red chili powder to taste, and half a lemon juice. Salt to taste. So we're going to blend together our oats, paneer, carrots, green chilies and ginger. So that's done, blended into a paste. Now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients in. Grease your hands so it's easier to handle. And then grab a little bit of your mixture. It's all combined now properly. And flatten it out in the palm of your hands. Then this is, if you want to, you can roll in your oats. This is optional. Pour in oil into a pan. We're just using olive oil. And you're going to shallow fry your oat cutlets. Heat up your oil and then turn to a medium flame and place your oats cutlets. And let them fry golden brown on one side, then turn them over and let both sides fry golden brown. Now we're going to turn them over. And let the other side cook as well. Once they're done, take them out. So here we have our simple, easy, delicious plus healthy oats cutlets. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.